In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a Google Map to your GoDaddy website. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website dashboard. Once you are signed in, go to Websites plus Marketing and select the website you want to edit. This will take you to the management area for that site. Next, click Edit Website or Edit Site to open the GoDaddy website builder. After the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the Google Map to appear. You can use the page list or menu inside the builder to open the correct page. Once you are on the right page, scroll to the exact location where you want to place the map. GoDaddy uses sections to organize page content, so you will need to add a new section in the spot where the map should go. Click the Add Section button that appears between the existing sections on the page. After that, browse the available section categories. Look for a category such as Contact or Map, depending on the layout options available in your version of the builder. Open that category and choose a section design that includes a map. When you find the one you want, click Add to insert it onto the page. Now select the new map section or click directly on the map area to open its settings. In the address field, type your business address or the location you want to display. As you enter the address, the map should update automatically and place the marker on the correct spot. Take a moment to confirm that the location shown on the map is accurate. Make sure the address is correct and that the map is centered properly. If needed, adjust the section placement so it fits well with the rest of your page content. When everything looks right, click Preview to see how the map will appear to visitors on your website. This gives you a chance to check the layout and make sure the map displays correctly before publishing the changes. Finally, click Publish to make the Google Map live on your GoDaddy website. Once the site finishes updating, visitors will be able to see the map on the page you edited. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.